How to screenshot your computer screen. To do this we will use three keys, which are Windows logo, Shift key, and letter S. Windows logo plus Shift plus letter S. As you can see, there are options available to you to make your screenshot. You can choose between full screen, zone selection, or use the lasso. Let's make a rectangular screenshot. When it is done, you can find the result down at the right side of your screen. Let's capture the full screen now. Now let's try the free-form screenshot. Make sure to save your screenshot in your desired folder after it is done. You can also use this method to screenshot your web page. Like the video and follow us to get more tips like this.